Hi guys, so today I'm showing you my wash day routine. So this is how my hair starts and this is how it ends. I really found a routine that works for me, so hopefully you guys will enjoy, and I will leave everything that I use linked below. But once again, starting with really dry, ill-defined hair, my hair honestly just, after a few days, it just doesn't look good anymore. And it's ready to be washed. So first thing, I turn on my shower. I do have a Jolie shower head. It is a filtered shower head. I live in Houston, as y'all know, and sometimes it just, like, I don't trust the water. I can smell it. There's something about it that I just don't trust. So I've been loving this filter. It's amazing for your hair. I have noticed a difference as far as my hair being a lot softer, and my wash day is actually a lot faster. So I start with shampoo. This one's a little beat up. It's from Acton Acre. It is their curl cleanse, and I adore this. I've used it every time I've washed my hair pretty much since I've gotten it. And it lasts a good amount, but I also just love how it's made for curls. My scalp is always moisturized, but my hair also feels really clean. I think that's so important to start with nice, clean hair, because after that I will go in with a conditioner. I like to use pretty heavy conditioners. This is a hair mask from Amika. It is their soul food hair mask. I swear by this hair mask. I've used it for years. Like, I just go back to it. I always have it on hand. I make sure I put it in my edges as well. It's just like that hair mask for me. I love the way it smells. I love how easy it is to distribute from end to tip. It's just good. I just always will go back to it. And then I make sure it's rinsed out pretty well. And I like to also smell my hair just to make sure if it smells like product, we're good. If it doesn't smell good, then it's like I'll just rewash my hair again. Once I'm out of the shower, basically I go straight in with product. This is from the Nuco. It's their super thick conditioner. I just really like it because it has a good amount of hold. So if I were to do like a conditioner bun, I would use this conditioner. It's just nice. And then I go in with my microblader. I microblade my scalp and my edges. Basically, you go along the way your hair grows and in the opposite way. I really love this for hair growth. I also use it with the Acton Acre cold pressed stem cell serum. Fire, 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 fire. If you have dry scalp, like, this is baby. I absolutely adore it. It's just such a good product. I highly recommend it. And then I like to put my hair up in a towel and just wait for a little bit, let it kind of soak up some of that excess water. And then once I feel like it's dry enough, not too dry, then I'll go in with my styling products. So Acton Acre, once again, y'all, they just good product. I can't. It's their soft curl cream. It's so good. I love it. It just makes your hair soft. It holds exactly what it says it does. It holds a soft curl. But if I want more definition, which I do want lately, especially I just got my hair retreated, so it just kind of looks a little stringier and whatnot. So I will go in with this, I think it's like a sculpting cream from the Frontal Queen. It is so good. It smells like bubblegum, and I just love the way it holds a curl, but it does it in such a soft, effortless way. It's so cute. But you'll see the results after I blow dry it. So I go in with my diffuser. I love this diffuser. I've used it for years. Literally, I think it's like $20. I got it off of Amazon. And the diffuser attachment comes with it, and it's huge. That's what I love about it. So I diffuse my hair for as long as it takes. Honestly, like, I'll stop, I'll put on a face mask. Like, I will take my time with diffusing, because the better you do this, longer your hair will stay. I could put my settings on warm and low, so I'm not putting too much heat on my hair. But yeah, I really love this step, especially if I know I have a busy week, because sometimes air drying my hair, it just doesn't look as good and the volume will be lackluster. So as you can see, I put on a face mask and was like, okay, now I'm done. Like, finally. It does take a little while, but it is worth it. My curls usually last a week, and I will undo my finger coils depending on if I'm going to bed or not. But yeah, that is how I've been doing my wash and goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it very easy. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave it a like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!